What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you how to buy coins via Trust Wallet. I'm going to use catgirl for an example. I actually made the video the other day on catgirl, but a few of you said it was too fast. So I'm going to show you the process if you're starting as a brand new beginner. What you're going to do is go to the App Store. Once in the App Store, you're going to search for Trust Wallet. You're going to go ahead and get Trust Wallet, this one here. You're going to get a seed phrase when you download this. Don't screenshot it, actually write it down, because if something happens to your phone, you're going to be screwed. You're going to be locked out of your wallet. So make sure that when you get Trust Wallet, you write down that seed phrase somewhere so you will always have access to this wallet in case something happens to your phone. You're going to open that. You're probably going to have $0 in it. But what you're going to then need to do, if you're buying catgirl, is buy Smart Chain. This is BNB Smart Chain. So make sure that when you go to buy, you actually select, if you're buying it through here, buy Smart Chain. You can buy BNB or transfer BNB, but what's going to happen is you're going to have to convert to Smart Chain anyway when you connect to PancakeSwap. So it's best just to start with the Smart Chain because you're going to lose the same amount of money in fees anyway. You can also buy Ethereum-based tokens this way too, but I'll probably make another video on that. But for the purposes of this video, how to buy Binance Smart Chain tokens, get Trust Wallet, have your seed phrase, and then buy some Smart Chain. If you do have BNB in here, what you're going to do is go into swap, and you're going to swap the Smart Chain there on the bottom, just so you know how to do it. Now that you have this app open, what you're then going to do is go to PancakeSwap and make sure you're in the trade tab here in the bottom left. Then you're going to connect your wallet, tap Trust Wallet. It's going to be connected. And then actually what we're going to do, I forgot this step. Let me go back. We're going to go over to the CoinGecko. That's what I use. We're going to go find catgirl. Go into info. Sorry, there's like a plane outside. Go to the blockchain supply. We're going to copy this contract. We're going to go back. Now when we convert, we are going to, what's already here, but say we're going to just paste it. If it's not there already, we're going to click paste, click import, tap the contract, and then you're going to convert. What's going to happen is you see this little wheel up here. And I did this yesterday, and I'll leave the video up yesterday so you can kind of see what I did there. But what you're going to do is tap this, and then you're going to have to use, I use 8 to 12%. And if that doesn't work, what you can do is, again, I did this yesterday in another video, but what you can do is if the 8 to 12% isn't working, just add a 1 to this. So it might say like 0.000 whatever. If you add a 1 to the conversion, it usually allows you to convert if that's not working. And you go in and you swap it. It's actually going to let me buy this because it's such a small amount. And I think I do have that amount in there. So let's see if this will work. Click swap, confirm swap. It's going to reconnect the wallet here for a second. There you go. Let's just say it's $1.74 for purpose of this video. That's great. It actually worked. Click confirm. And then what's going to happen is you'll see this little notification here on the Smart Chain. That's going to transfer, and then it will add to the catgirl I already have in this account. Again, I put about, I think, $280 in here yesterday when I made the original video, and now it's already $709, and it's probably going to go up in a second. But if you don't know how to get this token on here, remember how I copied that address earlier? You'll see these little things at the top of the screen. So the top right corner, you will see these filter buttons. Click that. You're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to click add token. You're going to select Binance Smart Chain. You're going to paste that address. It's going to come up. You're going to save it. And then what's going to happen, I did this yesterday, so I'm not going to do it now, is what's going to happen then is you'll save it and you'll see this up here. And then you're going to have the catgirl in your wallet. Now, this was a slowed down version. I hope that made sense. You can do similar things if you want to buy stuff like the Pussy token, which I believe is on the Ethereum chain, but I'll do another video on that later if requested. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.